These are actually floating docks off to the left. These are squares on the end. That's pretty much the standard here. It's because we have these 6 to 10 foot tide swings. And our lunar orbit is 24 hours and 50 minutes, like 50. So that breaks down to a high tide or a low tide, on average, about every 6 hours and 12 minutes. A little bit of wobbling in that on any given tide cycle. So anywhere from 6 to 6.5 hours to go from high to low, from low to high. And it looks a lot different up here at low tide. Like where you see the grass, there are really big walls of oysters that run down these banks. These are very well-defined banks as the tide drops. And the tide is just starting to drop now. But it starts real slow, like not much current right now. And you give it a couple of hours and the current will be running pretty hard. But I won't go on about the oysters since you can't see them at the moment, but running down these banks, you get big walls of oysters, and they're a couple of feet underwater right now. And when the oysters are underwater, they'll open up their shells as much as a half an inch, and an oyster can filter up to 2 gallons an hour of this slurry out here through its system. So they do a lot to keep the tidal creeks clean.
Kayak. Ja.
Also nicht gerade besser mit dem ganzen
I think the dolphins that I was looking at, I think they probably slipped past the marina and a little further down the creek. I'll go just around this bend and we'll get down the creek. And all this grass you see, it's called Spartina. Now mud flats are about a foot below where you